Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shirgal. Today I'm going to talk about speeding. These days there are stay-at-home orders from Ontario government here in Canada. So due to pandemic, so a lot of people are speeding because the roads are clear, and there's a lot of people are speeding like crazy, like driving almost 50 kilometers over the speed limit. So it's very dangerous. So make sure you stay on the speed limit or go with the traffic at least, so that you cannot get tickets. Because if you get a speeding ticket and you are driving over 50 kilometer limit, the speed limit, that's very serious ticket. Your vehicle can be compounded, and your license will be suspended for up to 3 days. So make sure, do not speed even the road is clear ahead of you. So stay with the traffic and save your record. And also with when you are staying on the speed limit and keeping a distance on the vehicle in front, you can save yourself from getting into accident, and also you can save other people's lives. So that's very important, because as an insurance broker I get a lot of calls and a lot of records when people call me for insurance, and see that they were paying around $200 per month for car insurance here in the GTA, Greater Toronto area, and once you got ticket, your policies got cancelled because you got a serious ticket for driving over 50 kilometers, and you have to look for another company which is mostly high risk insurance company. That way you are paying almost double, sometimes more than double the premium, and that speeding costs you a lot more. It's not only for 1 month or 2 months. The ticket stays on your record for up to 3 years from the time you got convicted in the court or when you pay the fine. So it's very, very important that you avoid speeding, and also stay at a distance, at a reasonable distance, so that you can stop your vehicle. Because when you are going on the highway going at 150 kilometers per hour and you got to stop, it takes a while to take immediately react to stop. So these are the tips you have to make sure, and drive carefully and stay on your speed limit or with the traffic as maximum you can, and keep your record of insurance in good condition so that you can get good insurance. So these are my tips. I hope you enjoy it, and share it with other people so that they can also learn. And also I got one more point. So a lot of people keep their insurance slip in their wallet, which is not very good thing. You should keep your insurance slip and vehicle ownership in the car, in the glove box, because maybe sometime your family member drive your car, or if you have your children at home or somebody, you borrow the car, and if they pick up the car and there's no insurance slip in the car, even though car is insured, police can give you ticket for driving without insurance card. So it's very important that you have the insurance slip and vehicle ownership in the car, not in your wallet, so that doesn't matter who drive the car, those documents are always there. That's very important. So these are some of the tips. I hope you like it, and share it with other people, and click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and comment on it, because I do make other videos based on your comments and questions. Thank you very much, and we'll talk next time. Bye bye.